Patuxai, literally Victory Gate, formerly the Anousavary, meaning monument, is a prominent landmark in Vientiane, the capital city of Laos. The Patuxai was built between 1957 and 1968 to dedicate those who fought in the struggle for independence from France. The Patuxai is located at the end of Avenue Lane Xang in the heart of Vientiane. Surrounding the monument are exterior gardens, commonly known as the Patuxay Garden or Patuxai Park, with palm trees and lotus ponds. However, the most significant feature is a giant fountain with light and sound. This fountain was a gift from China to showcase the friendship between the two neighboring countries. It is a popular feature for visitors and local people who visit the monuments in the afternoons. On the western side of the monument and other side of Avenue Lane Xang is the location of the Prime Minister offices. Patuxai was built when Laos was a constitutional monarchy and was dedicated as a memory of the Laotian soldiers who died during the Second World War and the Independence War from France in 1949. The monument was built using American funds and cement, actually intended to build a new airport. The Royal Laotian Government instead built the monument, which earned it the nickname of the vertical runway. In romanizing the name of the Laotian language, it is called Patuxai Arc or the Arc de Triomphe of Vientiane, as it resembles the Arc de Triomphe in Paris. However, it is typically Laotian in design, with each side measuring 24 meters wide by 55 meters high, creating an imposing appearance. The most striking decorative features of the Patuxai monument are the gilded reliefs on the underside of the arches and first floor of the monument. These contain images from Laotian mythology, including the half-bird, half-woman Kinari and Erawan, the three-headed elephant, and several nagas or dragons. The interior of Patuxai houses a small museum showcasing artifacts and information related to the struggle for independence and the construction of the monument itself. The exterior features Buddhist symbols and Hindu deities with 5 ornate towers built in traditional Laotian style. The 4 corner towers and 5th central tower that crowns the arch symbolizes the 5 Buddhist principles of thoughtful amiability, flexibility, honesty, honor, and prosperity. There are 7 floors in total, and this means there are lots of steps to climb and no lift if you want to get to the top of the building. I chose not to climb the stairs and instead launched my drone from a remote place where I did not disturb anyone. The monument has gateways on 4 sides, oriented towards the 4 cardinal directions. The east-west gateways open to the Avenue Lane Xang, which is used during ceremonial national parades. In front of each gate there is a pond. The 4 ponds represent the open section of a lotus flower. The 4 corners of the gateways are adorned by statues of a Naga king with a depiction signifying spraying of a jet of water into the ponds on the ground. 2 concrete staircases wind up from inside the main structure, passing through each floor, right up to the top of the monument. Viewing galleries are provided on the upper floor. The roof design is also inspired by Taj Mahal of India. There is an open space where the 4 stupas or towers are built at the 4 corners. These towers have been decorated with frescoes of foliage. The towers are also fitted with electric lights, which are switched on during the National Day and other important festivals. The small towers with temple-like ornamentation are designed in the Laotian style and are provided with spires. Each tower has a stairway. Apart from the 4 corner towers, there is another central larger tower above this floor, which also has a staircase which leads to the top floor that has a viewing platform from where a panoramic view of Vientiane could be seen. A telescope is also fitted at that level to get a better and closer view of the city. In the 4 corners inside the monument, you will find artistic paintings with figures from Southeast Asian mythology, like Erawan, the 3-headed elephant, Buddha figures with many arms, meaning the ability to help many people at the same time, and warrior marks symbolizing both strength and fear. There is a small entrance fee of around 5,000 Laotian kip to enter the upper part of the monument. Patuxai is a must-see destination during a trip to Vientiane in Laos. Tourists can learn more about this significant project for the local population while admiring the impressive architecture characteristic of Laos. It was very tempting to fly my drone through the monument, but I didn't dare to. I would probably have been arrested immediately, so I returned it to my launch site in the shade of some trees.